Hey guys, look, we're finally back at Disney for a Moonlight Magic. It's been a long time. And of course we're here with...
Hi guys!
And we needed a Brian, so this one is available. So what do we do first? Spaceship Earth. Of course. Because of course you do.
You start with the classics.
So this is the Moonlight Magic popcorn bucket. And this is, I think, my first popcorn bucket I've ever had, but it's included with admission, so it's free. So free tastes good. Also, get it in Canada. All right, so Harmonious has ended, and it is officially now already a half hour into Moonlight Magic, the actual event. So we are going to possibly go to Remy's, see how that goes.
We're trying.
Haha, just kidding. It's actually 130 minutes. We're now going to Mexico because sure, why not?
For the Grand Fiesta Tour.
Yes. Because, well, we're not waiting 2 hours for Remy's. Yeah. The park's kind of clearing out now, and after a while, it's just going to be a small number of people. That's the advantage of the Moonlight Magic. It's magical. After waiting 3 hours, we're finally on this ride. I hope it's going to be good.
Hashtag worth it.
It's the best.
Oh my gosh. This is the last ride. Okay, no.
This stuff all the time and I'm up there.
So somewhere now there's a DJ playing. I'm not sure where. This is Small World Club Edition. So we are now on our way to Norway, man. Norway. Actually, just kidding, we're here.
How long do you think?
It's a long wait after out.
Wait, this is the bakery line, not the attraction line. That's true.
Yeah, I don't know what's in there, but it's popular and it smells good. So, nah. Okay, well, we're walking to another location, but here's some cool remix from, yeah, the Haunted Magic, he just said it.
Is this Dead Mouse Ghost Tour?
Ghost.
Maybe.
Our tour begins
yeah.
here in this gallery.
We're going to be riding Grand Fiesta Tour the rest of the night, so let's just go. Here's one of the rare characters. An old mobile DJ. We're actually going on a ride this time, not just passing it. I remember last time I was actually through this queue. I used to go into the fast pass lane. Obviously that's gone. Or the single rider's lane. But I usually don't get the full queue experience. So I don't know if this is always the case, but that back corner, there are blank annual pass holder cards for if you don't have a Magic Band, you can still customize your vehicle. And we are now in Journey into Imagination. Because you have to use your imagination and imagine it being a good ride. So one of the things about Moonlight Magic is there are rare characters out that you can't see very often. So it's now time for Soarin'. Wow, look at this queue. And here's another rare character, Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.
Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.
Killing it, Oogie. Killing it.
Alright guys, so that is the end of Moonlight Magic. It's 1:04 a.m. 10 out of 10, 5 out of 70, something like that. 0 out of negative 20.
0.
So, thank you for inviting us to the
You're
magical
welcome. Glad I was
Moonlight.
able to get the wristbands out.
Yep, and we got some churros, some pretzels, some rides, things like that. But thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and...
Exit through the gift shop. It's right behind you.
Oh! Look at that!